The question is, how can I use LeoInsole to design some orthotic shells that will help reduce in-towing with my patient? As you can see, these shells are not optimized to control in-towing. So the question is, what features can I add? We'll go to the gait plate feature and turn that on for both the right and the left sides. Now we have a shell that will induce a force that will encourage the patient to out-tow more naturally. If the patient happens to be somebody who out-tows too extreme, we can also flip on a reversed gait plate, which will induce in-towing. This is customized to their scans and will help control whatever situation you need.